Hey y'all, so I'm back with another tutorial. If y'all want to see how I got this cute little look with the cute little bangs, stay tuned. Be sure that you're subscribed, liking, and sharing my content, and comment. Let me know what you think. Also, be sure that you're following me on Instagram, its.brigee. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so I had already started working on my hair and I was like, ooh, this style is different. Let's make a video. So as you can see, my hair's already parted. Two sections, one right here. I have one contact so I can't even see. One right here, one up here. Straight parting, it's like ear to ear. And then, so if you saw my previous video, I had did half up, half down. So this time I want to go a little further back, so I came a little further back as opposed to my other video. And when I came further back, I was kind of struggling to put hair up, so I had to leave the puff or ponytail, whatever you want to call it, further back because my hair is still short, you know. So like for instance, this piece wouldn't reach up to here because when I had my hair in the previous style, it didn't reach up here. This short piece right here wouldn't reach all the way up here, so I had to kind of leave it back, and it's so far back I was like, well, I'm gonna just make a bang. So I have less hair out back here but a little more left out right here, and this is more towards the center. So I want to do a quick video on how we're gonna freak this. So I still have my two, these are my sections, because you know my if you saw my previous videos, you see that my hair is like in a zigzag, my part. I'm gonna go ahead and section it off and work on the ponytail part. So now I feel like I have everything up and secured. Let me make sure all the way around is up and secured. So I'm getting my hair tied. Ooh. I can't even see that. And I'm going to hold it as tight as I can because my hair is still pretty short. I'm gonna try to do 3 times. Let's see. Second time, I get 4 actually. Let's see. Just gonna pull this tighter. So I'm gonna do 4. So basically I'm just gonna open it up like this. I already twisted it one time. I'm gonna open it up like this and just force my hair through. And just pray that this does not pop, you know. Ugh, that'd be the worst. Almost there, so I'm just pushing it through. Like that. This last little section, just push it on through, push it on through. And then before I let go of this, because it is hard to pick it back up, I just make sure everything is in and nothing's sticking out. So it's like everything is in, so I can go ahead and let it go. Actually, I missed one. It's in the front, so I could kind of see it a little better. But yeah, it's so hard to pick up, oh my gosh. I might just leave it. Oh my gosh, I have a few. Okay, I picked it up. Whew. So workout too for your arms, golly. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go through and try to pull all of these as much as I can. Almost done. So feels pretty tight. This one right here is kind of upsetting me. So sometimes you could pull to see where it's coming from, but when I pull I can't tell. So I'm gonna like push it back. You see how it kind of comes up when I push it like this, and just kind of push it in there. So now you have ponytail. Short lock problems for real. And so I kind of want it to be like this, like tight around here and come down. So I'm actually gonna wrap my hair around there like I did last time. Okay, so again, like if you watch my last video, you'll see that I took like, I think 5 or 6 locks and just wrapped them around. But that meant like 5 or 6 bobby pins going into my, trying to find a space in there. So I'm gonna try something different this time. So again, I'm gonna do the same thing, starting off, kind of look at it and see like where you want them to fall, but take the longest pieces. So I'm gonna take this piece right here and I'm gonna wrap it around the base of my ponytail. And when I get to where it's almost to the end, I'm gonna find the next shortest, longest piece near that one, which will be this one. And I'm gonna kind of twist it, but I'll make sure the new piece is on top. That way it falls right on top of that old one, and I'm gonna keep wrapping and do the same thing with this one. So this one ended about right here, and so next longest piece back here is probably this one right here. So again, I'm gonna twist it like 2 times and make sure the new one is on top, and then I'm gonna put it, lay it down, and then keep wrapping around. Wait, I forgot which way I was wrapping actually. I forgot which way I was wrapping. Wait. Which way am I wrapping? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, that's right. So go all the way back again. Twist it and just lay the new piece on top. And then just keep coming around until you get to the end of that again. The next longest piece is maybe this one. Twist it around, and then keep wrapping. And try to wrap on top, like this was the previous one. Wrap on top, because I want it to kind of make my, add volume to my ponytail. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. And then we get to your like desired height, then you could stop. I want to come up back around one more time. Let's get this one. Okay, this should be the last little wrap around. Let's get this one. Wrap it around. And then make sure you move all the other ones. And then, so I have the desired height that I want. So about like that. Take one bobby pin and go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and secure that inside of the bun. Okay, so now they're secure, and now I have my cute little bun. I barely have any water in here, but whatever. I'm just gonna get my spray bottle. I like to hold my hair like this because I don't so much want it on my roots. I want it more so down here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. Just gonna pin them back here. Pin my little bangs back there. Creme of Nature. You don't need that much Creme of Nature because it will turn white if you put too much. So I kind of just brush it on there like that. You can always add more if you need more, but you don't want to start off with too much. Then I just wipe the excess and just put it back in my jar. Then kind of get the hair. And I like using the comb part. It just works better for me. I use a brush part for like these pieces. Just make sure you brush it in there really good, because like I said, this stuff will turn on you. No, it will turn white. It will turn very white. Then it's crazy. I don't know if y'all have that issue too, but like as soon as I don't know, I'll be trying to use something for a long time, especially edge control, and it'll work so well. And then all of a sudden, like, it just starts turning white all the time. It's so annoying. Cause it's like I got this routine down, and now you want to switch up on me? You want to switch up on me? No. I don't even like people switching on me, so why would I want my edge control to switch up on me? Sorry. Sorry, Creme of Nature, I just got a little perturbed. It's like, dang, do people be changing the formula? What happened to if it ain't broke, don't fix it? Or maybe it's just me, y'all. Maybe it's just me. Now it's time to go back over my Gorilla Snot. Open it, tap. Now if you got hair that's like, softer, you probably don't need Gorilla Snot. One of my friends uses just Creme of Nature on her edges and they stick. But I just like to have a little reinforcement. I got trust issues. I don't trust one edge control to do the trick all day. I know I ain't the only one. Edge control be acting funny sometimes. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I took off my little scarf for my edges. So as you can see, like, my little bangs are sticking up. So just to make sure they stay down, I'm just gonna not retwist them, but kind of twist them over to the side that I want them to be on. Like that. And then there's my zigzag. So I'm gonna get a bobby pin like this, and I'll just put it up here. And I'll put another one a little closer because you want to make sure it's really just the roots you want to make sure stay down. Like that. And then same thing on the other side. You having to switch hands because I'm right-handed. Like so. Another bobby pin. Put it as close to the root as you can. And I literally traveled to my destination with bobby pins in my hair just so it could be sitting. Like you don't have to, or setting, you don't even have to add any product or anything. Just twist it real quick the way that you want it to be. And I kind of got some white stuff in me. 1 second. Whenever I have like white residue, I try to spray this, but I spray this on my hair anyway. But I kind of spray it on the parts that got the white and kind of just step it in. And it smells so good. Like sometimes, even if my hair is like moisturized, I spray this on there just because it smells good. And I just love, it feels good. People tell you like, oh, you smell good, you smell good. But it feels even better when you're like, oh, it's my hair. Or they be like, oh, your hair smells good. You're like, oh, thank you. Because some folks' hair be stinky. But yeah, I'm gonna post pictures of how my hair looks after I get to my destination and I take these bobby pins out. Like, subscribe, comment. Oh, my nose is itching. Let me know what y'all think about this hairstyle. I'm getting so excited because my hair is getting so much longer and I'm able to do so much more with my hair. So for all y'all out there that's just starting out, that has short hair like mine or even shorter, hang in there, y'all, because I started out this long. You know what I'm saying? Like it was probably like this long, but when I had coils, so it was like this, and now I'm like this. And like I said, it's been like 2 years and 1 month. So hang in there, y'all. Y'all got it. See you later. Bye.